students, today I am going to teach you effect of heat energy. When a certain amount of heat energy is given to a substance, it will undergo one or more of the following changes. So temperature of the substances rises, isn't it? If you heat any substances, the temperature of the substances rises. The substances may change state from solid to liquid or liquid to gas. So when we heat any solid, it becomes liquid, or any liquid, it becomes gases. So the substance will expand when heated. So while we are heating, the substance will expand. So the rising temperature is in proportion to the amount of heat energy supplied. It also depends on the nature and mass of the substance. So what is the nature? Whether it is very heated quickly or very slowly, and nature and mass of the substances. About the rise in temperature and the change in state, we have studied in previous classes. In the following section, we shall discuss about the expansion of a substances. So what is the expansion of a substances? When heat energy is supplied to a body, there can be an increase in the dimension of the object. When heat energy is supplied to a body, there can be increase in the dimension of the object. This change in the dimension due to the rise in temperature is called thermal. Because of the heat energy, that is because of the temperature, this change will be taken place, means that is known as the thermal expansion of the subject. So the expansion of the liquid, example mercury can seen when the thermometer is placed in warm water. All forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas undergo expansion on heating. So the expansion of liquid, example mercury, can be seen with while we are keeping inside any warm water, the thermometer will be the temperature will be rises in the thermometer. So all forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas undergoes expansion on heating. So now we can able to see the expansion of solid. When a solid is heated, the atoms gain energy, because we know very well solid means it will surrounded by more atoms. So by atom to atom, the heat energy will be transformed. So when a solid is heated, the atoms gain energy and vibrate more vigorously. This results in the expansion of the solid. For a given change of temperature, the extent expansion is smaller in solid than in liquid and gases. For a given change in temperature, the extent of the expansion is smaller in solid. The expansion will be solid is very small, and in liquid somewhat it will be more, and gases will be more expansion will be taken. This is due to the rigid nature of the solid, because the torture will be atom or packed in the atoms will be packed inside the solid. So solid will be fully packed about the solid atom. Because of the package of the atom, what happened? The solid will extend very smaller than the liquid or gases. And because the rigid means what can quickly, that is atoms are very very tightly packed. Because of the tightly packed of the atom, it is known as a rigid matter. The different types of expansion of solid are listed as linear expansion, superficial expansion and cubical expansion. So linear means longitudinal expansion, superficial means about the area, cubical expansion about the volume. So these are all the three expansion we can study in the next class. Thank you.